really hot. Look at that cheese and the... Hola amigos, it's your friend Robert. I've never tried Salvadorian food in my life, and this is going to be my first time. I feel like maybe Salvadorian food is just like Mexican food, but I guess today I'll find out. So thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Stick around and let's enjoy some Salvadorian food. Alright, so I got my fix of Salvadorian food, and of course I do have here some pastelitos. So pastelitos are like, you know, fried tortillas, and of course it comes with cabbage. I have a sauce here. I'm gonna tear this sauce apart a little bit. Pour it here, cabbage. Tastes so really good. You can see some chicken in there, yet very delicious. Also self tomatoey. Does have a little bit of a pepper, but not that spicy at all. These ones remind me of empanadas. Pupusas, you know, fried bread with beans, some chicken. They're like more of like fried bread filled with some protein. It's a very interesting concept for sure. Chicken-based pupusa. I'm sure that's really good. And this one does have cheese inside. Very hot, steamy. Beans and cheese pupusa. I'm gonna break it here. Oh, look at that. It's really hot. Look at that cheese and the black beans. See if it fits the chicken one. Cheers. I'm surprised, even the beans ones is really good. Beans and cheese, you can't go wrong with that. The cabbage, a little bit tangy with some sort of vinegar or lime. So you get that sourness. Yeah, that's really good too. Loroco. So loroco, it's more of like a big old pupusa. It's a big old pupusa with some jalapeno beans and chicken. It's really huge. I don't know, like a papadilla. But it smells really good, and I like the idea of putting some jalapeno inside. This is my favorite. Cheese, beans, chicken, jalapeno, a combination of all the flavors. Wow. This is genius. First time trying some Salvadorian food, and I must admit that I'm really impressed. And to me, the concept of the food and stuff resembles Mexican food. But so far so good. I'll leave the address of this spot, this food truck. It's located down on East Dublin Granville Road in Columbus. If you happen to be around the area, you can definitely check them out. The prices are very reasonable. This whole entire food cost me like around $16. And of course, this is something that, you know, free party can, you know, eat. Perfect. So until next time, thank you again for tuning in. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned next week for more amazing videos. Take care.